I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Monday, June 14th, and this is a look at your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed mixed Monday after Moody's Investor Service downgraded Greece's government bond ratings to junk, offsetting earlier gains caused by upbeat industrial data from Europe. The ratings agency cut Greece's sovereign debt rating by 4 notches to Ba1 from A3, reflecting its view of the country's medium-term credit fundamentals. The report on Europe showed that industrial production in the 16 countries that use the euro grew more than expected in April, up by 0.8%. Taking a look at where the markets did close today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing about 0.2% lower, 10,190 points. The S&P 500 closing about 0.2% lower as well, 1,089 points. And the Nasdaq Composite closing barely a fraction of a percent higher at 2,243 points. Andy Zamfotis, Chief Analyst at Lagard Capital, is with us now to wrap up the trading day. Andy, what's happening?
Thanks, Christy. Today was a pretty slightly uneventful day. We had the S&P start out pretty strong. The gapped higher, ran up to right around the 200-day moving average around 1108, and then things backed off. We had Moody's come out early afternoon, downgrading Greece to junk status, which took a little bit of steam out of the bulls. We ended up the day down about 0.2%. Commodities are pretty strong. We have oil back above $75 a barrel. Natural gas is up 5%, back over 5. I think a lot of people are starting to get really constructive on nat gas, thinking the administration may start to push it over oil given what's going on in the Gulf. Financials were pretty much weak most of the day. Bank of America, JP Morgan, those rolled down. We have a lot of noise out of Washington, and there's still a lot of uncertainty as to what's the final shape of this financial reform bill is going to be. The Blanche Lincoln's making some noise about this amendment regarding spinning out swap business out of the major banks. I think a lot of people are in a wait-and-see mode there. But overall, perhaps I think people are more concerned with what's going on with the World Cup than anything else at the moment. And we do have events in the Gulf of Mexico still taking shape, so I'm sure the rest of the week we'll have more to talk about.
Thanks very much for your insight, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis throughout the day, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend, as well as checking back to our website. That's tradethetrend.com.